Now looking at this question again, a body which is uniformly retarded comes to rest in 10 seconds after traveling a distance of 20 meters. Calculate its initial velocity. Now here are the options. Now as long as the body is retarded, it means the final velocity will be what? 0. Okay, and time is 10 seconds. The distance is 20 meters. Okay, so to this end we are asked to find the initial velocity, the initial velocity. So to this end we have to make use of v square u square plus 2as. Okay, now but acceleration is not given, so let us look for the one that we don't have velocity. So here you have s equals to u plus v t all over 2. Now to this end our v here is 0, so here you have 20 equals in, now our v is 0 plus u is what we're looking for, then time times 10 all over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 5, so this will give us 20 equals 5 u. Okay, then dividing both sides by 5, so our u is 4.0 meter per second square, and that is option C. All right, thank you and God bless you.